Hey guys, this is Alan LaRose, MarineMax Coco, and I'm standing here in front of the Scout 255 Dorado dual console. Beautiful boat, nice big jet black hull, fiberglass hardtop. Something really cool Scout does, I'm sure you guys have probably seen it. The nav lights are built right there into the rub rail, super streamlined, you don't see them, but they are 2 nautical mile LED lights. Through hull, windlass. Keeping the boat super sleek, super sexy. Keep on walking down the side of the boat here. Got these quick little rings. These come in and out. You can hook up, tie your fenders to those. Makes it really nice and easy. You're not trying to tie the lines over the windshield. Just take the fender, plug it right in. It's hanging right there, protect you from the dock. Transom of the boat. We got a swim patio right there. We got dual Mercury 200 horsepower, so we have 400 horsepower on this boat. These are the new V6 Mercuries. Come on aboard. Recessed ladder too, so when you're stepping back here, you're not just stepping directly on it, it's down through the deck. It's a great fishing boat, but also a phenomenal family boat. Hell of a ride. You're just going to really enjoy everything you're going to get with this boat with tons of seating. Again, we have the dual Mercury 200s, and this is the V6. They do have that access door. Pop that open. You can check the oil, add a little if we need to, without having to pull the whole cowling off the boat. You have a live well back here in the transom, gasket, freshwater fill, 4 rod holders right there across the back of the boat. We have this flip out seat, sit down, another flip out seat, lots of entertaining. We got this seat here. This is a nice feature, kind of makes it a whole lounge. Just hit that button, this will come right out. Nice recline there. This right here is a built-in little cooler. Keep your drinks nice and cool and fresh in there. Flip all this up. Very large cockpit, lots of room for hanging out. On that side, you can see there we still have some rod storage, gaff, boat hook, scrub brush, whatever you want to put there. Scout, beautiful boats above deck, also beautiful below deck. Take a look down here. Nice fit and finish. We have easy access to the seacocks, to your bilge pump, through hull transducer, freshwater pump, fuel water separators, all down in there. Coming on over here, we got a little wet bar area, nice little prep station. Prep some baits, prep some cheese, some grapes. We got this little sink right here, kind of give you some fresh water. Turn that on. Yeti cooler, and we got a nice drawer here, giving us some more storage in the boat. Yeti, pop it up, slides right out. Got your Yeti built in. Slide it back in. Got really large storage down in here. I'm gonna pop this open for you to take a look. Got batteries down in there. Lots of storage again. Below deck, keeping the Scout's very nice fit and finish. Right here, simple, easy, trash can. Prepping stuff there, walking around, throw it away. It makes sense. You don't have to have the trash bag flopping around the boat. Nice dual seats, armrests that fold down. Got tilt helm, Garmin. Love the glove box, phone, wallet, keys. Throw them right here. We got charging ports there and as well. All of our switching, keys, helm. We do have the LED indicator trim switch. And on this boat, it does have a built-in charger. You just plug it right in there, maintain your batteries. Bluetooth stereo. Passenger side, nice seating there as well. Right here, this partition, close that. This, we do have a head right in there, sink as well. That cushion in there, that was the bow filler cushion for up here in this area. So we can close this off as well. Makes it nice for a nice, cooler day, rainy day. Shut that off. Windshield gets closed, keeps the wind keep the water go blowing back right at you. This folds over. Oh, also in here, just more storage, more electronics, battery switches, easy access to the back of the helm. Seating up in the bow, we got flip down armrests, very comfortable boat, cup holders, we got LED courtesy lights, Fusion stereo, Fusion speakers, and then we got our windlass access right up in here. We got our switches right there, up and down. So that's it, guys. This is the Scout 255 Dorado. My name is Alan from MarineMax Coco. Give us a call, 321-636-3142. Have a great day.